Well, that's it for section 1 of the course. Now, I'm sure many of you are impatient to get onto the sexier content later in the course, but these fundamentals that we've covered are really important to help us understand the material that we learn in later lessons. Had we skipped anything, then those future lessons may well have been a little more confusing than they need to be. So, to wrap up this section, let's review what we've learned. A blockchain is nothing more than a ledger of ownership information, which records new blocks of transactions in order from oldest to newest, in such a way that information can never be edited or deleted once it's been added to the blockchain. Your Bitcoin is nothing more than an account balance held on a blockchain. There are no physical Bitcoins. There are just the account balances of millions of people assigned to millions of individual Bitcoin addresses. Bitcoin addresses are the public key of a public and private key pair. If I know your Bitcoin public key, or Bitcoin wallet address as it's more commonly called, then I can transfer Bitcoin to you without needing to know any other information about you. That transfer is one time and one way. Once my Bitcoin has been sent to you, I can never retrieve it again. It now belongs to you. Only the person who has the private key, which corresponds to a public key or wallet address, is able to approve a transfer of Bitcoin from their address to somebody else's address. And they do this using crypto wallet software. A cryptocurrency wallet only stores private keys. It does not store cryptocurrency itself. All Bitcoin transactions are processed on a network of thousands of individual transaction processing systems called nodes that are run by individuals who, if they successfully process transactions, are rewarded with Bitcoin for doing so. This is Bitcoin mining. If any one node's copy of the blockchain is compromised in any way, it is automatically removed from the Bitcoin network. That miner will receive no more rewards, and the compromised transactions will not be sent over the Bitcoin network. Only when the miner changes back to using the correctly approved copy of the blockchain can they begin mining again. This is the consensus mechanism at work. Congratulations! If this makes sense to you, then you already have a more rounded and clear understanding of blockchains and Bitcoin than many people that have been active in the space for years. And you know what I'm going to say now. If anything is unclear to you, please go back and rewatch the specific lessons again, and I promise you it'll make more sense. Or you can send me a question and I'll do my best to get back to you quickly. But that's the end of section 1. When you're ready, I'll see you in section 2. But for now, thank you very much for your time.